Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. If you haven't heard, I have a second channel called Everyday Girl, so definitely check that out. The link will be in the description. So today we're going to do a sparkly glam look. So I'm going to get started with my face because I have not done my face yet. So first I'm going to use the Rodal Soft Glow Drops. That's how they look. I know I have foundation all over it, but it smells so good. Oh my god, it literally smells like, I don't know, like lemon. And it smells so good. Like, it's expensive, but it smells so good. So good. Okay, let's do eyes. I'm using the LA Girl Brow Pomade. I'm not used to using brow pomade. I'm used to using like the pencil, but I'm just gonna take this brush. I don't know what brand it is. I'm using the color Soft Black. I like that one song by Billie Eilish. I don't know the name of it, but if you guys know it, leave it down in the comments. I'll sing a little bit right now. Shade Burkina. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And I don't put too much. I'm just putting little dots because if I use a lot of this foundation, it literally makes me look like a grease ball. So let's sing. Okay, what's the name of this song? I can like it, like it like that, like it like that. I can like it, like it like that, like it like that. What's the name of that song? Those are the only words I know to it. I also like that one Jessie J song. What's it called? Without You? The one that goes, tell me how it feels in up there. Name in the sky, does it ever get lonely? You know I'm the one to put you up there. I'm pretty sure I just sang the lyrics wrong because I don't know it by heart. I like this primer because it's so good. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Adina palette. I'm just going to take a dark brown. Let me show you guys. I'm taking that one right here. I should use tape, but I don't have any, so. This primer makes your eyeshadow like stick. I should have set it with something, but it's fine. I'm just focusing on my outer corner because the inner corner is gonna have like a ton of glitter. It's harder to put this eyeshadow on with this primer. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're gonna go in with glitter. So I'm using this color right here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The only thing I don't like about filming on my phone is that it doesn't pick up like sparkles that well. So let me just. Oh wow, that is like gorgeous. One Ocean Eyes, but I'm horrible at singing it because I'm not that good at falsettos. That's pretty. I feel like saying it. No fair. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. See, I'm not good at singing this song. No fair. You really know how to make me cry. You give me those ocean eyes. See, my voice cracks. But I really like the song, even though I suck at singing it. And then we're gonna go in with eyeliner. If you guys have a certain look you want to see, leave it down in the comments so I can get on that. I'm using the Amuse Cosmetics eyeliner. I love this. I keep bragging about this, but I literally love it. Oh, oops. Oops. I think I'm wearing black pants. Oh, like, stick my hand. Okay. It's okay. I'm telling you, the easiest eyeliner. Let me show you the packaging. Great lash. I'm going with this brown, this pink, like coral color, and this color. Let me do that. Brown, coral, purple. I've been going to the gym a lot, guys. If you guys don't know. I'm gonna have a full video on the whole weight loss journey I'm on. To me, it's not like a weight loss journey, it's more like a weight loss just lifestyle. Because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be trying to lose weight my whole life. Like this, that's just how I am. Like when I back in high school, I was so skinny. I was like tiny. I used to like wear size 0 to size 3 pants. Not anymore. I'm gonna wipe this chapstick off. I've gained so much weight, especially since having a Bella. But I've already lost like my first like week or two going to the gym. I lost 15 pounds. So this is supposed to dry down matte, and that's the color. I think Ruby Line. Yeah, Ruby Line by I9 Life. Well, I don't know. That's the packaging. I think we're done with this look. Make a screen. But guys, definitely check out my second channel because I'm gonna have a lot of lifestyle videos on there. Oh, I like this. I think I look pretty. I like it. And by the way, no one has asked me this, but I'm just gonna let you guys know I don't like put face powder on my face after I do liquid foundation. It's just a personal preference. I have really dry skin, so I don't like putting on powder on top of my foundation. It still lasts all day. Like, it doesn't patch off or melt off or anything like that. I'm just letting you guys know. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I know it was like all over the place. You guys got to hear me sing. My lovely, beautiful voice. Just kidding, I'm horrible at singing. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Bye!